I'm in Turkey, in the beautiful town of Kusadasi. To think this was once a sleepy fishing village, it's now a gorgeous and very popular resort not far from Izmir on the western coast. And it's filled with lots of important historical sites, as well as beaches, shops, and restaurants. I just love Turkish food, and I'm ready to dig in.
Hi. Zita.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet
glad that my guide Nihat has some favorite restaurants to take me to.
How are you? Okay.
My first time in Kuşadası.
Your first time in Kuşadası. There
Yeah.
are a lot of things to see here in Kuşadası. I'm very excited about your day today here in
I
Kuşadası.
know, you've got a big plan for us.
I have a big plan for you. First of all, we are now in front of a hostel from the 17th century here.
Ooh.
Yes, it's well preserved, and
is.
it's very close to the Bazaar Street, where different places, different restaurants around here, this side of Kuşadası. And I have 3 restaurants for you. First of all, the meze, the tasters, first the appetizers,
Nice.
and the second one is a fish restaurant. Not a tourist food, this is just for the locals.
Oh, that's perfect.
Perfect place
That's
to eat the
perfect.
best fish and Turkish
That
raki.
sounds- Oh, Rocky? I love Rocky. Oh, that's good stuff.
The last one will be very good Turkish cuisine kebab restaurant.
I love kebab.
Oh, yes, love. Kebab is the best place to eat here in this restaurant, 𝗧𝘂𝗁𝗏 restaurant from the southeast part of Turkey.
That's a good way to
Yeah.
finish the day off.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I gotta walk a little bit to get that appetite going.
Yeah.
I can't help but notice all these fresh fruit stands around the town. I gotta have one fresh squeezed orange juice to get my engine going.
You gonna have me do it? Okay, I'll work. Okay, come and get it. Thanks.
We have a quick walk through the old town and narrow streets to get to our first restaurant, Sare.
Sare restaurant.
Lots of typical mezzes, some bread, grape leaves they stuff, other spring rolls, beets, lots and lots of other little things. They bring this all out for me, and I can't quite believe it. Oh, and I'm getting my first Turkish beer, 𝗏𝗏𝗏.
This is a very delicious vegetable meze. Meze called the starters in Turkish. And this is with aubergines, tomatoes, pepper.
Peppers.
Yeah.
A little spicy in there
Little
too.
spicy, depends on the cook, maybe with garlic or without.
And I took some of this.
This is just yogurt and aubergines
Oh.
with a little bit parsley. And everything cooked with olive oil.
What do you call these here?
And this is grape leaves stuffed with rice.
And pepper again.
Yes, pepper, yes.
I love it. Everything has a slight spice. The bread is really nice too. It's nice
Yes.
and puffy, not like
Yes.
usual pizza bread.
We call it fingernail bread.
Okay.
Because the baker, he
Oh, he
puts
makes
his
it with
fingernails.
It gets so
it's-
puffy.
It is a dough just in 5 minutes. It's very, very easy and delicious.
It's just such a great way to eat. You know, I love being able to taste all kinds of different things. Not
Yes,
too
yes.
much, not too much.
Not
you know,
too
you
much,
get,
no,
it's
not
it's
too
a great
much.
way to eat. And I have my first ever Turkish beer.
Yes, the only one ancient CB that you can drink. This is 𝗏𝗏𝗏 beer.
Oh, it's
You know,
good.
𝗏𝗏𝗏 is very close by, 20 kilometers away from Kuşadası, and that's why Kuşadası is so popular in all over Europe and the different countries. And 𝗏𝗏𝗏 beer is the hometown is Izmir. Also,
Izmir.
yeah,
Yes,
and very popular
it's great.
in
So,
all over Europe also, not just in Turkey.
so there are a lot of restaurants that do. Most restaurants here do the meze style of foods.
Yes, they start only with meze. Little pieces, you just have a taste from that, and then they start to go to the main course, to the kebab or to fish or for different.
And the little cigarettes, sometimes these just have rice and pepper. Do they ever make them with meat? I've seen sometimes with meat, or is that
Sometimes with meat, but the Mediterranean food doesn't allow meat, just olive oil with
always
rice.
olive oil? I know, it's so good. And beets too, I see.
Yes, beets too.
I love beets. So healthy. This is why they say the Mediterranean diet is healthy.
Yeah,
Great. It's good. It's like well marinated in the vinegar, but this is something
vinegar, yes, a little salty.
so good, really good. Cheers! I forgot. Cheers.
𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.
Şerefe.
𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.
Şerefe.
In
Wonderful.
honor to.
Oh, that's
means,
nice. I'll remember that. Şerefe. Good.
𝗏𝗏𝗏.
As if that wasn't enough food on one table, now I get to have the most incredible dessert. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Called Kunefe.
In syrup.
It's basically layers of phyllo pastry shredded up, and it looks like melted cheese. And it's soaked in a sugary syrup. Love it. Absolutely amazing. It's a good thing we have a bit of a walk now. Nihat says the next place we're going to is a seafood place, and it's kind of a bit down the road near the waterfront called Nesgat. It's probably the best fish restaurant in Kuşadası with the freshest seafood. Family owned and absolute freshest in the area.
Hi, thank you. Nice to meet you, Zita. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
It's a very cozy place with generous, warm people. I kind of was only expecting to get a little fish dish, but being mezze is so big here, they've decided to put out an entire array of that as well. So we have incredible fish cooking, red mullet, and the shrimp. Probably the biggest shrimp I've ever seen. Really, look at the size of these shrimp. Huge! Usually they give you the mezzes and you eat those while they're making your fish, but because of our short time with having to get back on the ship, we get everything all at once.
Well, what do I have? This is like from very local here, yeah?
It's actually from the shores of Kuşadası, and our fishers catch it daily and they bring us in the morning and we cook us in the same day.
So at this place you've been here, this is like a whole family?
Yes, my father started this business like 10 years ago. He was a waiter at a local restaurant for 25 years, and he knows this
good
business
food.
very well. And then he started his own business with some owning some money, and he became very famous around Kuşadası because he knows the job. He knows how to do it.
Well, I'm here because I heard it's the best
Thank you
seafood
very
around.
much.
And it's not, mostly the locals come here because they know it's the best. There are
Yeah.
other fish restaurants all along that the tourists find, but if you know good fish, you come here.
Yes, that's true. It's not a touristic place,
Yeah.
this restaurant, no. But it's a place for the local people because they all know my father and they all know our business, our delicious fishes, fresh fishes, and they come here daily. It's like,
And you're carrying it on. You have a lot to live up to.
yes, I'm trying to help him.
Are you?
I'm trying to learn.
Well, it
the
looks
business.
fabulous. Looks beautiful. Really excited to try this. I'm not really sure how to eat this. Would you do
You
a
have
fork
to
and knife?
chop the head off.
Okay.
Actually, we do it with hands.
With my hand? Okay.
Yeah,
I
it's okay
didn't
with
want to
hand.
be messy, but
Yeah,
that,
that's
like
all.
that. That was
Yeah,
it?
yeah, that's it. And also
The tail.
this tail, yeah. Yeah.
So plump.
Plum. That's how it's supposed to
Mm-hmm.
be. Plum.
It's really nice.
Red mullet.
Mullet.
Yeah, but it's fried. Yeah, you can chop the head off with your
Also
hand.
with my hand.
Yeah, it's easy.
I like this kind of eating. It's
Yeah.
very, and then just break it apart.
Yes,
Look at that.
yes. Whatever.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. That's true.
I love that because of the batter. It's a little like a salty French fry.
Yeah.
Oh, you could just see the fish is just breaking apart, and it's so good. You must love watching people eat your food.
Yes, sure. And enjoying it.
I do. Really good. I can't believe you could take something simple, but keep it simple, but so full of flavor. Absolutely fabulous.
Yeah, that's the point. You're so right. It's actually very simple to cook it,
But something comes through with the food. You
yeah,
make the
and
actual food.
This is the secret of our cooks. They don't even tell me,
It's their passion and their love, and you don't. And we get some raki. And cheers again.
𝗏𝗏𝗏.
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 𝗏𝗏𝗏. Yeah.
Aw, cute little kitty. I couldn't let her sit there and not get some of this fish. She seems to like the bones. I'm ready for the kebabs now, but I see this sweet shop with a whole lot of Turkish delights and specialties.
Oh, let me try that. Okay.
Little did I know how friendly the owner would be. Oh, fine. He wants to get on camera, too.
We are now in a kebab restaurant, special kebab from the southeast Anatolia. Urfa is very famous with its kebab, different types of kebab. And what you have is aubergine kebab wrapped with onions, weeds, and very spicy, and also peeled aubergines.
That's so good. And we have other little mezzes here as well, which I am curious. This one,
Onun kabuğunu sıyırılması.
Evet, biliyorum.
Kabuğunu biraz daha acı olur.
He explains that you
I should peel
yeah,
it. I should peel it and not eat it.
because it is grilled.
I like
You
it
have
though.
to- yeah.
Okay, I'll eat it the right way. Thank you.
And southeast
Don't
Anatolia.
eat the skin. All right. You learn. So this is another aubergine.
Yes, aubergine stuffed with vegetables.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Is
It
that
is-
like a... Oh, that's part of the aubergine
Yeah,
as well.
this is pepper.
A lot of peppers.
Yes, a lot of.
So kebab in this area is very it was like the most
Yeah.
popular
Yeah.
like local thing.
The east you go to the East Anatolian part of Turkey, the more kebab is eaten. The more you go to the western part, the more the people used to eat vegetable and olive oil. So that's why kebab in southeast Anatolia is so famous.
I understand, and it's great because to learn about the different regional foods. It makes most people who say Turkish food or Greek food or Italian food, they think one-dimensional, but it's so dimensional.
Nihat had this big thing for me to try, Ayran, a buttermilk drink. It's Turkey's national drink.
So what am I about to drink then?
What we usually drink with kebab is not beer or different alcoholic drinks.
But I think I prefer my Rocky.
This is buttermilk.
It's buttermilk. It has like a yogurt
Yes,
kind
yogurt, kind of yogurt. In the big industry, it's shaken in a big
Like a churn?
In a churn.
Oh, like making butter, but not.
Like making butter.
You drink that when you eat kebab.
Yes, it is refreshing, and it is.
So it just became a thing. There's no real specific reason.
not.
It's just one of those things. Well, I guess
But
you know-
Ayran is not a special drink just for the southeast Anatolia, eastern part of it. It is popular in all over the country.
Yeah, I never heard of it before ever. So it's good. It's different. Very different.
That was an amazing, filling day in Kuşadası. Nice place. Really lovely.
Okay.
Allah ısmarladık.
ısmarladık.
Oh, what a day.
Yeah.
It's beautiful here.
It was
Really
a pleasure
lovely.
for me.
Thank
was a
you.
pleasure.
You come visit me then,
Okay,
and I'll
see
cook
you.
for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Thanks. Bye.
It's sad to leave such a lovely place, but back on board there's a Turkish bazaar going on with colorful stalls, music, and more Turkish food. I think this is such a clever idea, and so meet with the executive chef in charge to find out what it takes to prep for something like this.
Okay. So being in Turkey is an amazing place to be. So I love that when I'm on these ships that when you go to a new destination, occasionally they come up with these great ideas to make you feel like you're still in that place.
Yeah,
So-
the location we call this. We call this not something new we do all over the world. We do on location theme nights. Like in this Turkey we do this Kusadasi, we do this Turkish Bazaar, Arab thing. We create a kind of atmosphere like we've been in a real Turkish market area, like little stalls filled with local things like oil lamps, hookahs, we call it water pipes, like typical Turkish carpets, pillows, the whole entourage, the whole thing.
Belly dancers.
Belly dancer, of course, don't forget the belly dancer. Then, of course, not to miss all the food. We've been
food,
around,
yes.
like the chicken shawarma, the beef stews. We got all the salads, like the lentil salads, like the beans, Turkish pilaf.
To do all that as well as the regular food that you have to do on board is incredible. And like with the regular foods, you always have to do your tasting, so you have to do the same thing with all the foods that you put out
Yeah,
for the
we do.
bazaar?
Before it goes out to the guests, we all taste the whole thing before it comes out to the guests. And we maybe adjust a little things, seasoning-wise.
Good, good. And there was some Turkish wine too. Nice little touch as well.
But that's the typical something done by the beverage department. You're also going to look something locally where we are. They buy something like local wines, white wines, red wines, what they find, and they bring it together with our menu, and then they can make it a complete thing.
That's what's so nice when you go somewhere and you can bring that local right back on the ship, which is wonderful. Well, it's great. Thank you.
Okay. It's been a pleasure.